Hey guys, and welcome to the video. We're going to be discussing some updates for the Jeffree Star Valentine's Day mystery box of 2022. I'm going to be talking to you guys about the Beautylish surprise bags that just dropped. I'm going to be talking to you about my giveaway that I'm going to be doing, as well as discussing what everyone has been saying they think that the deluxe exclusive item that could be used for every single day could possibly be, plus what I think and want to see in these mystery boxes this go around. So if you're into these types of videos for me, because I am your friendly neighborhood spoiler and unboxing gal, then definitely give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, it would mean so much, especially if you've already clicked on this video and you're watching, it would mean so much. And let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so as I go along in the video, I definitely want to hear your thoughts and opinions in the comments below on everything that is discussed today, but we're going to start out by talking about Beautylish surprise bags. So I've been getting DMs asking, so is the Beautylish surprise bags curated by Jeffree Star himself? No, they are curated strictly from Beautylish. Jeffree Star has nothing to do with the surprise bags, and they are different than the lucky bag. The lucky bags are sold only at the beginning of the year with the Beautylish lucky bags, but you can pretty much kind of expect the same outcome within each other. But I have to say, the surprise bags are always so good. They're always $75. You get a mix of products, great value, and I've always been really happy with all of my surprise bags. Other than this Valentine's Day mystery boxes, surprise bags to me were always better than his mystery boxes, because you always got a variety of products, always multiple palettes, good things. I've always loved the surprise bags, so I'm gonna have the surprise bags linked below directly so you can go purchase. Thank you to everyone who has purchased through my link yesterday. I have seen how many people have purchased, and you guys are incredible. Thank you so much. So if you do purchase a surprise bag through my link, let me know down in the comments. I appreciate you guys so much. Now that that has been said, let's talk about my giveaway that I'm going to be doing. So I haven't done a giveaway in a long time because I just haven't gotten the mystery boxes since the summer. So I skipped on the Halloween boxes because I just wasn't excited about the mystery boxes anymore. It was kind of like the same thing every time, and I kept buying them because I really wanted an exclusive product that was going to be, you know, blowing me out of the water as good as the 2019 holiday boxes with the Peppermint Frost palette. I got a little bit of use out of that. It was a really great palette, and I really enjoyed it. And with all of the exclusives that he has spoiled so far, I am so incredibly excited about this box. Plus Valentine's Day in general, I am excited about. I love Valentine's Day makeup releases, pink related items. The whole theme of Valentine's Day is just so cute. So I wanted to pick these up and do a giveaway, and I'm so excited. So when I get all of my boxes, I will let you guys know what I'm going to be giving away, and if there's going to be multiple winners depending on how many things that I accumulated that I don't have in my collection already. I'm just really excited. I haven't done it in such a long time, and I'm so excited for a giveaway. First giveaway of 2022, and I'm happy that it's Jeffree Star cosmetics items. But anyways, one last thing before we get into talking about everything else. My Beautylish surprise bag will be here Wednesday. I'm so excited, so you guys will see that video very soon. And we will see what products will be going towards the giveaway, which you guys already know. You'll have to be subscribed to my channel, comment down below in that video that I did the giveaway in, and leave all your information. And then there'll be bonus entries, of course, how we always do it. But let's go ahead and talk about, what do you guys think the exclusive everyday use item will be in the deluxe box? So a lot of you guys are saying that it could be very well pop sockets, which I'm not opposed to pop sockets. I always use them. It's on the back of my phone now. Ever since the first pop socket, there's been one on the back of my phone, and I like pop sockets personally because I sit there and I play games and I hold my phone. So for me, it's useful. Other people are saying that it could be a face mask because of the pandemic, but why wouldn't he have done that before? Because, you know, and he wants you guys to want to wear his lipsticks, because a lot of people are like, Jeffree, there's so many lips in these mystery boxes. The pandemic, people are wearing masks, we can't wear lipsticks, so I feel like he just wouldn't put one in the box because it would justify using his products, you know what I mean? But it would be really cool to have one, but I feel like it would just contradict him trying to get you guys to buy the boxes and have lip products in there when you can't wear them with a mask because that's just uncomfortable, hair sticks to them, it's a whole mess. So I don't really know if a face mask would be in it, but I think it would still be really cool if there was one, but I don't think there's going to be one, in my opinion, but I could always be wrong, you know. Other people are saying that it could be hair scrunchies because hair scrunchies are making a comeback. I disagree about the comeback statement only because they started becoming super huge like end of 2019, early 2020, and I got on the scrunchie kick. So for that, I'm like, it's been around for a couple years, really just coming back strong. But I do think that it would make a really cute item, but it would also cheapen the box because these are very cheap. So I feel like maybe that won't be it. It could be even a beanie, but he didn't really say it was a clothing item in that way. I did mention that I thought it'd be really cool if he did fuzzy socks because I love fuzzy socks. Everyone loves fuzzy socks. Well, not everyone, but that's a really cool thing. But some of you agreed that it would be really cool if he made fuzzy socks, which that would... Knee-high fuzzy socks? Oh my gosh, could you imagine? Ooh, that would be really fun. Anyways, and then there's other people who think that it could possibly be a heart-shaped makeup bag or even a crossbody bag, which I think that would be pretty cool too because he did do the bat makeup bag, and so who's to say he's not going to do a heart makeup bag? I think that would be really cool if he did that. There's loads of comments that people are thinking it's this and this and this, and who knows? Let me know what you guys think down below, and if you have any other suggestions, what you think the possibility of the item could be. It's just really fun to play the game of like, what if, and then we see the spoilers, and we're like, oh, I was right, or oh, I wasn't right, you know, that kind of thing. What?
Just watching.
Let me finish so I can order sushi.
Sushi. Sushi.
Okay, so now let's get to the portion of the video where I talk about everything that I hope and want to see in these mystery boxes. I want them to be very much themed Valentine's Day. I love Valentine's Day, and I want Valentine's Day themed items. Now, I first off want to say that I did say that I didn't think a robe would fit in the Supreme box, but with further investigation, I think it probably could because some people are getting their boxes shipped already and it's 7 pounds and such, and I'm like, okay, so that's a lot of weight, and makeup doesn't completely weigh that much, nor does, you know what I mean? I feel like a robe could fit, or a hoodie, because that's a lot of weight and material. And he did have the robes on the 12 Days of Christmas for $12, so it's plausible, and he was wearing it in there in the reveal video, and we've been wanting a robe forever. So Jeffree, why not just go ahead and make it happen, you know what I mean? So I think maybe a robe, maybe, probably not, but that would be really cool. And also a hoodie would be great, or a long sleeve tee. I think that would be really cool. And I know he already did the candy heart, you know, situation on a t-shirt and a bag a couple years ago, but I wish he would bring it back because I love that so much. But other things that I really hope to see, and let me go ahead and tell you because I screenshotted it both. Now, a lot of these are sold out, so I doubt it would happen, but it would be really cool. I really want to see the Sacred Glass Extreme Frost palette because that would be great. If that came in any box, it would be the deluxe because of the fact that we're getting a highlight palette in the Supreme box. Also, I think that the Holy Mist spray should make a appearance in a box only because it's pink and I've been wanting to try it, and of course it's also out of stock. I think that would be really cool, and we've been asking and asking and asking for him to put one of his mascaras in there. Well, the mascaras in the shade brown, blood orange, and coral have not sold out, and they're very spring-like, so it could be like a Valentine's transitioning into spring kind of thing. And since these haven't sold out, but the black ones like always sold out, I feel like possibly like blood orange or even coral could make an appearance. And now that I would be so excited because could you imagine having them on your lower lash line or your lower lashes that color? That would be so much fun. And I mean, blood orange and coral kind of ish Valentine's Day, not really, but you know, transitioning into spring. I think that would be really cool. I would love to see that. I would love to see it. And then of course, my biggest request, because I did not buy this, the Pink Religion palette. I was all like, you know, I'm not really into pink shadows very much. And then I tried this Morphe palette a couple weeks ago and I fell in love, and now I'm just on this like purpley pink kick, and I'm like, wow, I do like pink on me and I want this now so much. And there's a lot of diversity with the different shades of purples and pinks in here, so I really think that I would enjoy this palette. Plus it's super cute and I hope to see it in a box. I also think that I think all those terms, blood sugar mini palette could be in here. We've never gotten it in a mystery box before, and it's red, so it's themed around Valentine's Day, so I feel like that's something we could see. And I really hope to see more Supreme glosses in the box other than his regular gloss formula, only because we haven't really gotten a lot of Supreme glosses. We've gotten like one here and there recently in boxes, but I would like to see like more, you know what I mean? Just, I want more Supreme glosses. I've never tried the formula and I would like to. And also I would like to see velvet traps with less liquid lips, more velvet traps, because they're just more friendly on the lips because they're not as drying as a liquid lip, and plus the packaging's pink, so I just want to see everything pink in the boxes, okay? You know what I mean? I just want the theme. I want the theme. Also, you guys are not going to agree with me, but I want to see a yak plushie in these boxes. I want to see a yak plushie. He has the white one, he has the black one, and he has the pink one. I want to see a pink yak plushie. You guys know I created a farm last year, and I'm still building onto it, and I'm making a farming channel that I've been filming for, and I have 35 animals right now, and so a yak plushie for me would just be a dream. I would want one because Jeffree did the farm life last year. He started it and I started the farm life, you know, so I want to see it. Also, I feel like another item could be a pink side bag maybe. We've gotten them before and pink just kind of goes along with the theme, and I really would like to see something different in the boxes. So he's done a tracksuit before, so I feel like the blood sugar dye joggers would be so cute to be in the box. Plus it's themed around Valentine's Day, and even if not, I think the rainbow joggers would be really cool too because they're black and like everyday friendly because they match everything. But that's what I hope to see in the boxes, and all of that. And I'm so excited. I can't wait to get all my boxes. I can't wait for the giveaway. Other people's boxes are already shipping. A deluxe box is £5, and just, I'm excited. Lots of people's have shipped, and I hope to see spoilers very soon. They could even be today. You never know, depending on the shipper and where they're at. You never know. So excited. And yeah, if you guys know anything about, you know, anything, let me know in the comments below, and let's just have fun and discuss and manifest spoilers. What do you guys want to see in the box? Do you guys want to see the same items as me, different items? Let me know down below. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!